Hey guys! Good evening, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here playing with my stubborn Lennon, our handsome dog, guys. So I want you guys to watch and see the way we fight together with Lennon. I don't guys, So guys, please, we're here and we're showing you how fun we are with my handsome dog, Lennon. You're showing them your tail. Come on, Lennon. So, you see, they are watching us, guys. Guys, I am here with my dog. He likes playing too much, and I'm just playing with him. You see how happy he is. Oh my God, Lennon is so happy today, guys. Lennon is so excited. He is so happy, guys. I hope you people are enjoying this video that we are making. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, share, comment, and like. Please like, and support me and Lennon on our live. Guys, I don't know. Lennon, just say hi to your friend. Oh my God, Lennon. Guys, I don't know. This is the part. Hello, guys. So, oh my God, this is the part 2 of our video with Lennon misbehaving. Lennon is misbehaving, guys. Oh my God. Look at all my body's hairs. He doesn't want me to rest, guys. I hope you are enjoying. This is my YouTube channel. It's just for fun, for entertainment, guys. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like, send a comment, and share. This is me and my Lennon. Lennon is so happy, guys. Woo! Lennon is so happy. Lennon is a good dog, good dog, good dog. Lennon is a good dog. He always behave himself. He always be a lovely dog, lovely dog, lovely dog. Always be a lovely dog. I love playing with Lennon. He always be a lovely dog, lovely dog, lovely dog. He always be a play with him, play with him. Come and join us, play with Lennon. He's very fun and hard. It's good to always play with him, play with him, play with him. It's good to play with Lennon all the time. I'm always happy, be with Lennon, be with Lennon, be with Lennon. I'm always happy, be with him. He always make me fun, and he always make me proud of him, proud of him, proud of him. He always make me proud of him. He is so handsome. Leno is a lovely dog, lovely dog, lovely dog. Leno is a lovely dog. He always play enough. He always look for my trouble, my trouble, my trouble. He always look for my trouble. I don't know what to do with him. Please, if you like this dog, you come and take him away from this house. I'm tired of being with him. He always be a naughty dog. Guys, we are just here for entertainment, for fun, make you people happy. I hope you're enjoying Beauty Grace live stream on YouTube channel. I love you guys. Bye. Let's end our live, guys. Let's end our live. Woo! Let's end our live. Let's end it. Bye, guys. Let us say hi to them. Bye. Bye-bye. Leno is saying bye to you guys. Leno loves you. Leno, say hi to them. Leno, no. Don't bite me. Leno, say bye. Oh. Leno, no. So, guys, we're just here to entertain you guys. We're having fun, me and my lovely dog. His name is Leno. So he said you should don't forget to subscribe on this channel, like, share, and send a comment, and tell us how we look on these our lovely videos. Hi.